I'm so excited, you guys! Today my parents surprised me with a Pokemon Go trainer box. This is my first Pokemon Go trainer box ever, and I can't wait to open it up with you today. Hey friends, it's Leah here with Leo's Art Club. Today, we're going to be opening a Pokemon Go trainer box. We're going to pick 2 packs out of the box. We're going to open them up. We're going to pick 1 card out of the packs for us to draw. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. You guys ready? Let's start. Oh, nice. Yay. We got Mewtwo. Sweet. I'm going to pick 2 random packs. Let me go with the different codes this time. Now we're going to grab these all out and put them in the box. I'm going to use scissors to open the pack, but you can open them or cut them if you want. I'm just going to use scissors, that way I'm going to open them better. That way I'm not struggling. We got one Pokemon I don't know. We got Eevee, we got Pikachu, got Squirtle, and we got Blastoise. Put that to the side. Now we're going to open this pack. Let's hope you get a good one. Four in the back. 4 and then put them in the front. Now we're going to see what we get. Charmeleon. Pikachu. Bulbasaur. And a river and a hollow lapis. Now we're going to pick a card to draw. I'm gonna pick Mewtwo. Okay, the card I chose was Mewtwo. I hope you guys can see that. And all you need is something to draw with. I'm gonna be using a marker. You need a blank piece of paper. It's something to color with, and let's get started. You guys ready? Let's start. First, we're gonna start the ear. Going curve like this. Then we're going to thin and go thicker like this, and we're going to draw a curve just like that. Then you're going to draw the ear going curve. Then you're going to draw a long curve. Going straight back down. Then we're going to draw the other ear behind it, going like this. If not least, you're going to connect the nose. Then we're going to start drawing the neck, going down. And we're going to draw a tiny one like this. Then we're going to draw one curve like this. You're going to connect all this with the chest plate. Then we're going to draw the chest going down. Then we're going to start drawing the mouth. Like this. Then we're going to draw his nose. Then we're going to start drawing the eyes. Going curve like this. Now we're going to start going down like that. And then we're going to curve like this. Then we're going to draw the eye people going like this. Then we're going to start drawing the arm, going down, curve, and another curve. Then you're going to start drawing the finger, going like this. We're going to draw a pretty medium circle on top. Then you draw a curve like this with a circle and a halfway circle. Then you're going to curve this circle like it's going to connect the arm, and then you're going to draw a curve. Then you're going to draw the round part, and then you're going to thicken it back in. Then we're going to start drawing the waist, going down, curve, like this. Then we're going to draw the foot, going down, around, and another toe, straight back in. Then we're going to finish the foot with a curve and that. Then it's going to add a circle. Then you're going to start drawing the leg. Before you do that, you're going to do a curve over here. Just like this. Then now at least you're going to add the third toe. Then you're going to start adding the long 2 feet. The curve. And a point going like down. Then you're going to put the tail part with the arm. Then you're going to draw his tail, going like this. You're going to hover above it and go like this. And now we're going to start coloring. I'm going to use a marker, but you can use pencil. Let's start. Yay, we did it. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. I hope your Mewtwo turned out amazing. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.